Hello, this is Big Ball, and now I'll be watching the completely pointless part 2. Why was it all in one part? I don't get it. But anyway, I'm just gonna watch this.
Big Ball.
Oh yes, and he says see you on February, Big Ball. Like I said before, I know he didn't hear the message in the last reaction video, because as of when I'm making this, and as of when he made this, that's not up, but, and I'm pretty sure I've explained it before, but you do not mix the word on with time frames. It doesn't make sense. It will make sense when you watch my reaction to part 1 of this, but whatever.
Alright, we're back in part 2 of Big Ball of my reaction to that Big Ball reviews Ratchet Clank part 2. So let's react to it. So let's continue on. Yeah, this is part 2 now. So here we go.
And there was no reason for part 2.
You can do, and once you do the tasks, you get a skill point. And once
We've already watched this. We got up to the bit where I was talking about the graphics.
basically this game, the graphics in this game are pretty good, and you can also do these two things with the jetpack. So that's something, I guess. Now, the graphics in this game are pretty good. Now, one of the main things that the game was praised for back when it was released are the graphics.
Yeah, I know. The graphics back in 2002 are really amazing during the GameCube, Xbox, and PlayStation 2 days. Those are the bombs. Those are the beasts, man.
And he doesn't even want to revisit his childhood or try out new games on new consoles he never owned. That's sod. Why don't you start saving up?
Graphics are pretty nice for a PS2 game released in 2002.
Yeah, definitely. Like the GameCube can't handle the graphics back in November of 2001, like Luigi's Mansion and Smash Bros. Melee. Yeah, totally.
Now that was completely random.
However, there are quite a few popping errors. And when I say quite a few, I mean quite a few. And they're kind of obvious and very common, which isn't a good thing. And that's those metal boxes I was talking about earlier, which I gave you no proof that they existed. And now I am giving you proof that they exist. And
Just seriously?
there can also be a few.
Yeah, seriously.
Why is there a turret in this world? That one?
Glitchy textures.
Why have you got a problem?
Other than that, the game
Never mind.
still.
Although I do find amazing that in the year 53, 54, turrets are still completely in date and useful.
Does look pretty nice. And the game
Yeah, I know. That's the Crash Bandicoot 2 Cortex Strikes Back jetpack level. That's the music.
actually
There are technically 2 jetpack levels, but you're right.
mostly has a solid frame rate. Spyro. Man,
Huh.
why does nobody like me? Spyro the Dragonfly? Listen, I do like you. Now, you're a terrible game and all. You do suck, but I still like you. You're enjoyably bad. I do like you. Same with you, Sonic Boom Rise or Lyric, same thing. Both of you are bad games. Very bad. But I...
Seriously? Sonic Boom is now the worst game of 2014 since Sonic 06 was the worst game of 2006.
Well, that was a random thing to say.
So why do you like Sonic Boom? Seriously, did everybody play that game? Like Spiral Enter the Dragonfly? Did they actually play that game?
First off, people have played both games. And second off, it's called an opinion. And third off, I bet you've never played either of them. And if you want to see if Sonic Boom's really that bad, why don't you pick it up? Well, you've got to save up first, but then you could pick it up.
Can you tell me that question? Tell me one. Please. My anger self is almost coming. It's almost coming.
So you want me to ask you a question? Okay. I'll ask you a question. Why are your English skills So, not good. I didn't want to be too harsh when I said that.
I enjoy playing.
It's more angry than you. Really angry than you. Yeah, I just have angry wobbles, you know.
You.
First off, I'm pretty sure that at times both of us can be equally as angry. Second off, English. I hate you so much.
So don't feel...
You've seen the message to Daddy Sakurai, aka Masahiro Sakurai, and you video when I beat Smash Brothers for Wii U and NES at Classic Mode 9.0 without continues, one stock lost, just beat it. I just beat Classic Mode 9.0, finally beat it.
I've told you a billion times I don't give two beeps.
I just beat it with 2 extra trophies, which are Guardian Fan from the 3DS version and Uncle Joe from the Wii U version. But Uncle Joe trophy, they're both in the same game. It's Smashception. Okay, now not for the LG joke or montage joke.
Lonely? That in the old Spyro games had lag quite a bit, so don't feel completely lonely. Enter the Dragonfly.
Well, I think they actually released on the same year, 2002. Yeah, 2002. Back when 2002 is actually the best year of everything.
You good?
Well, that's an opinion, but why do you think 2002 is the best year of existence? What was so amazing that happened in 2002? What incredible things do you think happened?
Yeah, it's nice and good. This
It's just a question, and you wanted a question,
game also has a pretty
even though you'll not even answer it. You'll never answer it, I know it for a fact.
good soundtrack. Now, I will admit that it's not as good as Spyro 2 soundtrack, but the soundtrack is still pretty nice to listen.
The vacuum can't suck those robot dogs? Are you kidding me, Sony? I will flip you like this.
Well, I'll flip you with that same thing. Since you used it in a video which is about me where I do not allow this beep. Bad boy.
This game, I mean, surely most of the songs are average at best. There's still no terrible songs, like Spyro 3 and Sergeant Bird.
I like Spyro 3 music because they're actually my favorite. Okay, Spyro 2, Spyro 3, Spyro 1, they're my favorite music in PlayStation era.
Well, I'm guessing that he has heard the soundtrack for all 3 games. Maybe not all of it, but I'm guessing that he's heard a lot of it. So I'm not really going to question him there. You don't need to play a game to know if you like the music or not. Of course you need to play the game to know if you like playing the game or not, but the music, it's music.
So they're alright. It's a pretty good song. The best song in the song.
Get with it.
Games Car 1. The end. Such a cool theme, and it's nice to listen to. I mean, seriously, it's just cool and it's futuristic. It's like this game. This game was set in the 54th century. This is what the 54th century is gonna look like. And a whole bunch of planets in this game look like Earth. Which is
Wait a minute. What if the aliens actually invade our planet?
interesting thing that Earth isn't in the entire series, to my knowledge. Oh, I only became a fan very, very, very recently. Yet I played this game since I was young. And the sound effects are also pretty nice. And they
Good, he's not questioning it. That's nice.
basically stole a couple of sound effects from Spyro the Dragon.
Huh?
Particularly the burning sound effect.
What?
But to be fair,
Oh wait, linebackers get burned by lasers. That means
logic can't work in this game.
Zombie did develop both.
oh wait, you can't touch acid. Wait, oh, I think that's a physical error.
So if you're saying that if I touched acid, I would be completely okay. Maybe acid becomes more powerful in the 54th century. You don't know. Maybe logic is maybe gravity and logic are completely different in these futuristic alien planets. You should not question a game which is set all across a made-up universe in the future. You shouldn't question that.
Do you think this is funny in Insomniac games? Here, flip you.
Well, I'm gonna flip you over with my beeping stuff. I miss it when he said beep because it sounded really weird when he said it. I kind of liked it.
I think like so.
Oh, babe, if you're gonna censor that flip joke like this, you don't see that. It wasn't perfect.
Why don't you censor all of them or just show us your fist? Or even a Wii remote. If you're that desperate.
I'm a grown man. I have anger levels. I'm more angry than you. Because I'm just have crazy anger levels.
I've seen you angry before, but I'm sure that he could be just as angry at me at times, but I've never seen him as angry as I can be. Both in these videos and in real life. Of course, I could be underestimating him, but
Can look over that. And it's pretty cool to hear them in this game, I must admit. Now, if it was some other game made by completely different developers, I would still find it interesting. Considering that Insomniac made both games, it's just nice to hear them. And the voice acting is also not too bad either. And the lip
Yay! I think the voice actor is good, you know?
syncing's pretty good.
but I don't care about the voice acting in games. Surely I would like a bit of emotion. Sure, I would like emotion in them trying, but I just like some cutscenes in my games.
Unlike you.
Sonic Adventure.
And the character models and designs are also pretty memorable. I mean, even after not playing the game quite a while, you will still remember the characters. Because when you see them in like the sequels and online, you might even remember meeting them, which is pretty cool. But now, I have to move on to the next.
Because, it does sound a bit weird, but I've heard weirder huhs in my life.
Tips. And the music of Planet Rilgoth strangely reminds you of the TV horror levels from Gex Under the Gecko.
Or Spintail in Japan. Don't forget, or Gex.
Japan? Wait, Japan? Where's Japan? Is that... Well, what continent is that in? Is that some obscure African country I've never heard of? Or is it just the name of a town or a city that I've never heard of in Africa? Point is, it's probably in Africa. Maybe South Asia.
Or Gex 64. Or Gex 2, Enter the Gecko's Pintail. Okay, that's a crazy confusion. That's a crazy full title, you said.
Except that it's 5 times less creepy and 10 times more upbeat and catchy. I like that. It has a familiar tune from another game, and yet it still sounds different and cool. And it fits the atmosphere. That is quite cool. The end. Yes, there are bad things with this game. First off, the game can get pretty difficult sometimes. Now, while this isn't a bad thing, it can get annoying when the difficulty just jumps up a ton. Second off, the decoy glove is a little bit weird. Now, this is only a problem if you like cheating like me. But this is just weird.
I know.
In some planets...
I can't do a high-pitched ha.
You're allowed to bring it all the way up in front of you, but in others you can't. Which is just really awkward. I don't get this. Why? It's just weird. It's just so weird. Why make it this inconsistent? It's just weird.
Oh my god, what the fuck's that? Let's see that again.
Stop saying what the you-know-what is that.
Now, this is a minor thing. again. Another thing I don't like is that the game does a poor while you're scrolling through weapons. The enemies can easily hit you while you're trying to switch weapons.
Damn you, Jurassic those pterodactyl, wingless pterodactyl guys? Really?
He likes saying "really" a lot.
So you can pause
Really?
the game, but it still would have been nice to have the option. And you can only really strafe by using this, you know, rocket.
Ratchet can fly with his jetpack with Clank on it.
Pack. And while I don't think this is a huge deal,
Those pterodactyl lightless dudes are actually fight him.
since I don't really strafe much in the franchise anyway, it's still annoying that you can't strafe normally, and I never use it.
Well, I do strafe. Quite a bit. But not beep, son. But I can tell you one thing, I certainly strafe a lot more than DSP Gaming! Ha! That's a fact, by the way.
Big feature with the rocket packs. It's just weird. And I really don't like the wall jumping
Now that I think about it, I actually strafe more than a 4.
in this game. First off, you don't know what wall jumps or walls you can jump off of. And second off, it's so finicky.
In fact, there's even very few times in the game where you can jump off of thin air. Wall jump off of thin air. Don't believe me? Why don't you see 2 Game Masters until I die on the first Ratchet Clank? As in, Parallel Universe A, not the other one.
Just jumps off the wall whenever he feels like it. And when you can jump off the wall, it's very likely that you won't want to jump off the wall and you won't be expecting it, and you may end up killing yourself if you're unlucky. It's just weird, and I don't get it at all. And it's basically weird. This is a minor complaint, but in order to skip cutscenes, you don't just have to press start. Unless you've already seen it, or if it's a cutscene at the very beginning of it. You have to hold L1, L2, R1, R2, and then push start.
But just watch a goddamn cutscene. Just don't skip it, because cutscenes are very important than skipping it. It's like watching a movie, but don't just pause the movie, then just take a break or something. Just...
The thing is, a movie is something that you're supposed to watch. You watch a movie so that you watch a movie. You don't play a movie. You play games. You don't watch games. Heavy Rain and games such as that. I'm looking at you especially.
Watch the whole movie. Just set it your cell phone. Just close your eyes.
I'm guessing that he never ever skips a single cutscene in a game, no matter how bad or no matter how long it is. He never ever skips them. Ever. Even in games such as Angry Birds.
Glasses like this, and you can see everything in the movie. Wait. I have to see anything on the screen. And these glasses. I have to get my new eye surgery. I think I need to get new glasses like before my birthday. So, can you make the birthday video from me?
Well, if you're lucky, I might.
So weird. And I mean it's just so weird. Now, surely it's nicer than not being able to skip cut scenes.
Sonic Adventure and Mario Sunshine. Hey, it's gonna hate you.
Of course, the not being able to skip in cutscenes problem is for Sonic Adventure is only present in the Dreamcast version. But you can skip it in the downloadable versions, and I'm sure that you could skip them in the GameCube version as well.
But it's still kind of annoying that you have to perform some weird...
And of course, I could have shown Sly Cooper, but Sly Cooper actually has good cutscenes, which are enjoyable to watch, and personally, I don't want to skip, so I'm not really pointing at that.
button combination that you wouldn't immediately guess. That is kind of annoying. And now I'm going to complain about the side jump. In order to
Yep, that'll be happening.
the side jump, you have to hold the jump button, hold left or right, and then press the jump button. It seems simple enough, but sometimes when you're trying to do a high jump, you will accidentally perform a side flip. This happened to me multiple times, and especially when you're trying to use high jumps for glitches, it can be pretty annoying. And trust me.
But of course, that's only a problem if you're like cheating. It's just stinky cheaters.
This swing shot is kind of annoying. You don't know exactly how far you can actually shoot this, and when you do shoot it, sometimes you don't expect it, so you'll just grab onto it and you'll just fall to your death.
Now, you will eventually get used to it, unless you're DSP gaming, but it takes a very long time to get used to. At least it took me a very long time. And I did die multiple times because I shot the slingshot or the swing shot and I wasn't expecting it.
Which can be pretty annoying. Eventually you can get the hang of it, but at least at the beginning, or for most of the journey, throughout most games, this can be kind of annoying and it can lead to some cheap deaths. But that's practically everything bad I have to say about this game.
And I have no idea how he actually manages to complete pretty difficult games. I just don't. And that's in DSP gaming.
That and the decoy glove is kind of broken.
God dang it.
But this is actually kind of funny, and I do enjoy using the decoy glove for glitches. And they did learn their lesson when they made the sequel, which makes the decoy glove even more fun when you try out, glitching with it in the sequel, which still works just as well, if not better. So that's cool.
Hey, Mega Man music. The remake Mega Man 2 melody remix one from Super Smash Bros. 3DS and Super Smash Bros. for Wii U.
That was practically a perfect guess. Of course, it's the Mega Man 2 medley from Super Smash Bros. Wii U and 3DS. But that's practically what he was saying. Even if it did sound like it was a bit weird. Even if it did sound a bit weird when he said it.
More like Super Smash Bros. 4 for the Wii U and Super Smash Bros. 4 for the Nintendo 3DS.
Or the nameless Smash Brothers, as Under Dysfunction calls it.
Or Super Smash Bros. For the Nintendo 4 for the Nintendo...
Super Smash Bros. For the Nintendo 4? I never knew that existed.
The Nintendo Wii U. That should have been fitting name. That should have been good.
Other than that, this game has a lot to like about it. I mean, it's fun, it's enjoyable, the combat's fun. While there isn't really an incentive to use weapons in this game, it's still fun just beating up your enemies. The platforming's great, the graphics are nice, even if there are times of popping issues and some glitchy textures. The music, while not the best in the world, it's still fun to listen to, and there are still some pretty cool songs. The controls work perfectly, and overall the game is just very good. There are quite a few problems in this game, such as there's no incentive to use your weapons. The new Game Plus mode also...
As you can see, he's too busy dancing to the music!
Weapons and gadgets, but, you know... The problem with that is that...
Oh, he stopped.
Fail, you fall in the sky, haha.
Reason to...
What?
They get more incentive in the sequels, but not in this first game. And overall, this game is just really fun. There's not really too much to dislike about this game other than some finicky things in the game. And trust me, I may have said that the decoy glove is glitchy, but that's why I love it. I just love this decoy glove. It's glitchy, it's weird, and that's why I love it.
Wait, stop.
It's completely broken.
Let's see that again.
practically break the game with it. I just love it so much.
Right. It just became quieter.
Shock.
Shock?
With the fact that there's a weapon.
Ooh, we actually didn't say a bad word. That's interesting.
Practically broken is so much fun. It's the second most useful weapon in the game next to the I know. And while it's useless in combat, it's very useful for glitches, and I just really enjoy it.
Is that why you prefer showing your faces? Or just your face? I mean, most professional reaction videos show both the video and their face, but you can only do one or the other since you don't have fancy editing software.
Rhino's amazing, and overall this is a really solid game.
I think it's the best game of the year of 2002.
Wait, you think it's the game of the year 2002? I don't know if the game ever got that, you know, praise, but that's something. I'm just looking at all these characters. Well, I haven't seen any Game of the Year things, and sorry that I just wasted your time, but that's how this works.
That needs to be the reward. So, if you want it, get some. Or, hands off my rhino.
No, I want your rhino.
Or, piece of rock tires. Hey.
For a moment, I thought he was going to say piece of beef, and then I thought he was going to say a piece of... I'm not going to say it.
It's SpongeBob SquarePants Battle for Bikini Bottom game. Maybe he could review in the new SpongeBob movie released on America.
I told you that's not happening.
Yeah, there's hero pans on the 3DS, like, on March. Wait.
But seriously, why is SpongeBob Hero Pads only coming out on the 3DS, PS Vita, and Xbox 360? That's like one of the weirdest combinations ever. I mean, is there going to be another SpongeBob game which comes out exclusive on the Xbox One, 3DS, and... Wait, the Xbox One, the regular Wii, and the PS Vita? Who knows?
Maybe the long time. Maybe it's gonna...
The long time. That ain't real English.
Long time, okay. Why is there a cyclone in your bed?
Why is there what in my bed? I have no idea what he said.
Why is there a cyclone in your bed?
A side porn? What?
What the heck is this?
What the heck is what?
That was all.
That side porn thing that you were talking about?
So that was almost as annoying as the Microsoft GameCube.
It was nowhere near as annoying as that.
Universe A.
Okay.
Overall, the original Ratchet Clank is a piece of beef. What did you just say to me? Let me rephrase that. Ratchet, beat you, beat your parents, beat the creator, beat...
Yay, I just remember that review. Back in it's gonna be the anniversary of my reaction to your review. So, happy anniversary of my reaction to Big Bun Bot videos. And also my birthday is almost coming, so hopefully you should make a birthday video of me. So, please make it. 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 Gosh, you little...
What do you want me to do for your birthday video? Just interested. Because you might not be getting it, but if you're lucky, you'll get something.
Blocker.
Everything
Blocker?
about you. Universus.
Or like Universe 2 B, or Universe 1 for America, and Universal.
It was a joke. I went from... No, the joke is that there's Universe A. That is the wrong universe. That is the universe that we're all supposed to be living in. That is the universe where I'm not on Earth. However, we are all, unfortunately, live in Universus 2. Yeah, I'm not the best at Japanese. I'm sorry.
B, America.
Bro, the original Ratchet Clank is a pretty
I like how I say Isa. I'm like, Isa. I just love how I said it.
in my opinion. How is it perfect?
So, are you gonna go review Bayonetta 2? Hopefully.
Bayonetta. What?
It might contain some perverted jokes, or hopefully, if you have
I'm not gonna make any of those jokes.
want to have sex with Farja from Fire Emblem Awakening, if you do, how am I gonna rip you like a dolphin that rapes elephants?
I don't want to see your mouth. Get it away.
Oh, I don't want to see. Are you scared? Are you okay?
I'm not scared, but you should really keep your teeth back. It's creepy. You're trying to scare me with the dumbest way possible, and it's somehow working. The creepiest people are the ones who look the most innocent. Yeah, that's not true, but when someone may seem cute, or semi-cute, or just someone may seem small and kind of the teeniest bit attractive or cute, that person could actually be really creepy sometimes. Which is one of the reasons why you don't like them.
Hey, having a good time? Sorry. Okay,
Nobody wanted to see your mouth.
I don't want to do that. Wait, don't have sex with Farja. I don't want to rape you like a dolphin.
Why would you do it like a dolphin?
And I don't want to actually eat your darn heart like a darn wild animal.
Also, that's physically impossible since we're both men.
Like, forever. I don't want to do that again. Do that again.
No, one thing I mentioned that I don't like is that you can't see what skill points actually are until you've beaten the game, which is quite disappointing. But overall, this game is still pretty fun. It's got some good graphics, good music, good controls.
And a boy with a terrible attention span.
The game, I'd give it a B+. Now, I wouldn't give it an A because the game does have quite a few flaws with it, but it's the first game in its franchise, so I can kind of accept that, even though some first installments of franchise.
Hang on, people.
Where's he going? I wonder if he's going to see the new Ratchet Clank movie. He's probably not, but it's interesting. I'm probably not going to see it. But he's like, ooh, it looks pretty cool, even if the characters don't look that appealing.
I love that game. You know, it has some positive reviews, but why, Jen? Why always rate it to possibly 6 or something? Anyway.
Too much water, 7.8 out of 10.
I mean, I need some help or something.
Don't always get a free pass. Super Mario Kart.
Wait, Super Mario Kart? But
Or stupid Mario Fart.
I love that.
We just need to hear what he said again.
Don't always get a free pass. Super Mario Kart.
Wait, Super Mario Kart? But I love that game. I got that game on the Virtual Console on the Wii. The original Wii, not the Wii U. And also, Super Smash Bros. For Wii U has that Masterpiece mode to play Super Mario Kart. Maybe I should do. Maybe next time.
You don't even make video game videos.
So, hands up my SNES game of the greatest racing game of all time.
The greatest racing game of all time? Probably CTR.
But this game is still very fun, and I do recommend checking it out. Now, this game is pretty common online. You can find it.
The Racing and Ratchet Clank 2, that's up there, but it's not a racing game. It's just that there are 2 racing mini games, so that doesn't count.
It's pretty cheap online. I'm sure you can.
I mean, I paid for it £5 used in one of my gaming stores back in November of 2014. So, yeah. And the game was very successful. It was a PS2 game. A successful PS2 game should not be that hard to find.
You can just go find this game. I recommend you play it. It's a good game. And what came out of this series after this first game?
And a licensed PS2 game? They should be super easy to find. And a PS2 sports game? Don't even mention them. I'm sure you can find them cheap and easily.
Well,
But seriously, why are sports games so common? I don't get it.
the game got a sequel, which was one of the best flipping games I've ever played! And there was
I don't think it was that loud.
Okay, that's a little bit loud. I don't get it. Why you do this to me? Hope my ears don't bleed, or my skin could be covered with blood.
the first
It wasn't that loud. And my ears are nowhere near as sensitive as they used to be. That's just me.
game in the series, which was an epic conclusion. Well, it wasn't as amazing as...
Don't forget Ratchet Deadlock or Ratchet Glaciation. What is it? Glaciation?
Glaciation? Don't you mean gladiator?
Glaciation?
It's not glaciator. It's gladiator.
I can't pronounce that G word.
Gladiator. It's not that hard. That just proves that he's not amazing at the English language. Plus, don't forget how he read out all of the things at the back of my An Ultimate History of 151 Video Games book. Definitely don't forget that. He was terrible at doing that.
second game, it
Maybe Ratchet Deadlock, that's the name.
was still a great enough.
It came out, was it 2005 or 2006? Man, I confused the release date.
2005. And why are you so interested in Ratchet Deadlocked? Is it because you kind of want to play it? Now, I have a question for you, which you're probably not going to answer, but have you ever had an interest in buying a Sony console? Have you ever had interest? Have you ever wanted one? Well, I think you should want one, because the PS1 is just amazing. The PS2 is my favourite console of all time, and the PS3, well, that's not my favourite. It still has some pretty good exclusives, unlike the Xbox 360. Man, I've insulted that console too much. Despite the fact they don't even own it. And the PS4, I'm not interested in it yet, but the new Ratchet Clank game, that has made me interested. Not along with Street Fighter 5, but yeah.
Adding to the trend.
I think I had to cancel that top 10 video, and then I should try to request something new. Please request me something new, or that show Bonnie if I react to that Final Fantasy Freddy's trailer. If you want to see it on my second channel, just react to it.
Well, I'm going to suggest new ideas for you, as well as the top 10, which, if you want to see part 2 of your Super Smash Bros. Wii U review reaction video by me, if you want to see me react to that and watch that, because I haven't watched that yet, you've got to make that top 10. And if you do, maybe I'll make all the reaction videos you want. And I've got a ton of new ideas I can request you. Reaction videos, tutorial assisted speedruns, some video game reviews, some random, extremely random video thing that I don't even know what it is. Maybe you could do some more unboxing videos, but actually censor all of the, but actually cross out all of the information details. Unlike your 11-year-old self, he was too naive and stupid and unaware of. Or was it a 12-year-old self? I don't know which one, but that guy was too naive, young, and stupid to know that stuff. And about e-safety. And maybe you could just react to some video game reviews. And maybe you could react to some other random videos, some fact videos, some video game videos. You see, I've got a ton of ideas for you, and while I'm not expecting everything to be granted, I'm giving you new ideas. But if you want to see all of those reaction videos you want to see, or at least some of them, then you're going to have to make that top 10.
And then just put the comment. I will comment you, and then I should punch you in the penis. And I'm gonna review like a dolphin.
Why don't you review dolphins? That's a new idea. Review dolphins in general. You can tell us why you like dolphins, the origins of dolphins, or how dolphins act. What you like about them, what you don't like about them, and overall, if you ultimately like dolphins or not. That'll be interesting. Even if it will be pretty stupid and bad, but still, it's a new idea.
Okay? I don't want to do that again. I'm not homosexual. I'm not a homosexual. I'm not a homosexual kid. I'm not a pedophile.
Oh, really?
Don't say that word.
Yeah, basically.
Look at your SpongeBob shirt. Looks pretty cool.
Yeah,
I don't want that. Give me still that shirt.
First off, I'm not selling that SpongeBob shirt. And second off, you should be going.
Yes! SpongeBob! SpongeBob! Yes! Yes! SpongeBob! 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 Oh my God! SpongeBob! SpongeBob!
Thankfully, didn't pull off another Spiral 3. No, but don't get to the series. And played all.
More like the. Don't you mean the Ratchet Clank Future series?
Don't you mean?
Don't.
Played all. But don't get to the series. And played all.
More like the. Don't you mean the Ratchet Clank Future series?
I've only played Tools to Destruction. That counts. Don't be picky.
Played Tools of Destruction. That game's pretty good, even though it's definitely not the best in the series. Not the most fun.
Are you gonna review Sonic Boom?
The playtime.
Because you're review Sonic the Hedgehog for the Genesis, we get to celebrate Sonic Boom's release.
It's way too late. Plus, I already reviewed Sonic 1. Silly.
Pretty good. Yeah, basically, I've recently come to really like this franchise. Why? I backed this game. Now, while I owned both the first game and Tools of Destruction when I was a kid, I wasn't really a big fan and I didn't really play them a ton, especially Tools of Destruction. First game I played more, but still was a huge fan of it, and I still rarely played it. But I'm so glad I picked up the second game. I'm just so glad. It's definitely an investment that worth making. But anyway, this game gets a B+. Buy it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And play Ratchet Clank.
Also, you have that Buzz Lightyear Lego thing, which is like alarm clock or something.
You mentioned that when I was giving everyone a pretty important demand.
This Big Bang Bot signing out.
He didn't even try guessing the music. I guess he didn't know, but still, he didn't even try.
He's gonna check all of the skill points I missed in the first Ratchet Clank.
Even though I'm not gonna get any of them.
Which is a big ton.
And that music is from Ratchet Clank 2. I think the planet's name is Tordano, and it's basically the planet where there are rockets, so you can just draw in. There's a bunch of tourists, and there are robots, and basically it's that planet. In case you didn't get the joke, there was a skill point in the first Ratchet Clank called Going Commando, which was the second game subtitle in North America and some of Europe. And yeah, that's why I did that.
Wow. Zombie, I can predict the future.
And there was a little bit of a longer bit mentioning out of their job, but I could have deleted that.
Okay. So, what do I think of this review? It's like really great. And also, I think he's gonna take a break from the reviews.
Nah, I'm not taking a break yet. Spoiler alert.
And really good focus on Let's Plays, unboxing.
You don't even watch my Let's Plays.
Maybe possibly reviews.
I mean, you don't even care about the Battlefield 1 and Best of anymore.
Maybe in the Rainbow Force release. And Yoshi's New Island. Yoshi's really good.
I can't hear you! No! That's too cliche. I do not play games on Steam. End of. Doesn't even scare me. I let's play games that I wanna let's play. Games which I find more interesting. Not overdone, popular, modern games. Just the cool stuff from the past. And not so cool, but still. Stop with your terrible dancing.
Okay, we have enough of this music, so we've done it.
We done it. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be we did it. I mean, do you hear Explorer saying, we done it, we done it, we done it, oh yeah, we done it. No, you do not. That was his second part of the reaction. I'm gonna like this as well because I didn't like it. Even if he did make quite a few dumb jokes, there weren't as many as in the first one, and I still liked it. It was still interesting. And my next review, I'm not telling you when my next review is going out, but it's going to be pretty soon. Whether he likes it or not is none of my concern. What is my concern is that I'll be doing it. And I hope he likes it. And I hope he's happy about the game I'm going to play. And I hope he's happy when I will. Okay, that's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. This is Big Bang Bot signing out. Of course, there's still the occasion of English, the terrible jokes, stuff like that, but still enjoyable. The end.